Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 4th. We are flying home today, but not till later in the afternoon. So we're going to do one last walk to the beach in the morning. So Robert can do some fishing, and I can do one last shelling adventure. This is the marina. We're just walking through the marina to get to the beach. Alright, we made it to the beach, to our favorite fishing spot near the rocks. It's a little hazy this morning, but the water is really nice and calm. The turtle people are already out. They're a little bit early this morning. I don't know how they can see anything. But they're all out. So calm. Very pretty. Alright, this is the golf cart beach entrance. Robert really wasn't having my luck, so this is the kind of like the inlet going into the marina. There's several fishing spots. This is the trail, the golf cart trail. So we're just gonna walk this trail back to the dock and see what it looks like. Also, even though I have bug spray, bugs are particularly brutal this morning.
Yeah, too.
Very brutal this morning. Not sure why.
First day.
First day that we've bugs right here and there, but today is particularly brutal. So no shelling videos today. I don't know. Maybe we'll go back to Western End on the way out. I don't know. I looked on the way to the fishing spot, and there was no shelling. It's a little high tide right now, so. There's a rabbit. But this is a pretty walk, and I do like this walk. And there he is right there. That's him. So, a couple days ago, it's supposed to rain today. No rain now. Forecasted no rain today. So we did not get rained out this trip. Well, the first day we got stuck in the rain. But other than that, because we were out walking the beach and got stuck in the rain. Other than that, the weather's been perfect. Alright, it's over. But you kind of wish there would have been rain. Might help with the quality of shells. That guy's fishing. Very still. Yeah, sure, wrapped it right there.
It's all it is kelp or whatever.
Okay. This is the main pool area. There's a trolley stop right here. So there's a trolley that goes up and down the resort, because remember it's like 2.5 miles long. There's like 10 different stops. We didn't use the trolley because our room is right here in the middle of everything. But if you have a room on the beach, I'm sure the trolley is quite useful. So back there is the pool, and then right there is a ice cream shop, and then I think this area that says Welcome Center. You have a kids zone too. So basically this is, if you got kids and you swim, this is the area you're going to be at. There is a, right up here to the right is the general store. There's a little bit of everything that you need. And up straight ahead is just access to the dock and the back lot, another section of harborside rooms, and that's where we're staying. can see there's a golf cart. There's golf cart parking. There is an abundance
It's a
of
marina.
golf cart. A marina, that's the word.
Because Harborside is a different mechanic.
Okay. Oh, lizard. Okay, another lizard. There are lizards everywhere. Look at that guy. Okay, we're on the marina side. T-dock, that's where we can still fish there, but boats keep docking, and that just ruins it. You want to walk by the dock real
We'll
quick?
walk by it.
Okay. And then walking to the dock so you can see it. It's every time we try to fish here, people start throwing out bait nets, which scares the bigger fish away, or people with ski-doos come up, which scares the fish away. So I'm not having a good experience on this dock today. There's only a couple people. You can toss it a couple times in the middle, see what happens. Okay, so we're not gonna fish on the dock. There is too many poles to maintain social distancing. No big deal. Robert got some fishing done this morning. He's happy. Go back to the room and relax, or maybe fish on the marina side, or whatever he wants to do. So our rooms are straight ahead in that building up there. As you can see, there's not that many cars. It is during the pandemic, so they're only allowed to have, what is it, 25% occupancy?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
And so, the one thing I didn't like is they don't clean your rooms, which I came in May at Westwind Inn and they cleaned our room. But they're not cleaning our room this time, using COVID as the excuse, which I can understand that. That's fine. So if you want towels and toiletries extra, you have to call and they'll bring it to your room when you're not there. It's just, I like to have my trash changed every day. And so I've been putting it outside, and they are not doing a good job changing those trash cans. So, oh, there's a beautiful dragonfly. So it's a bit trashy around here. Not just because they don't change the trash cans. There's just kind of trash everywhere. You can tell they're short-staffed. They're not making an effort to keep things clean, as well as a resort that's nice, charging $400 a night should. So, anyway, we're back at our room. Saying goodbye to our room. We are packed. We have all our luggage. That view is beautiful. Best part of the room is that view. And it's 11 o'clock, and so it's time to check out. There is a door of doom.
Door of
sure.
doom.
Oh, look. Yeah. Inside.
Looks good.
Looks delicious.
Racing.
We are leaving Sanibel Island, getting ready to cross the causeway. Something that we've never seen in the past is we've seen the remnants of 2 car accidents this trip. We just passed a car that was banged up at the front, getting ready to be towed, and then the day before we saw a car completely in the ditch between Sanibel and Captiva, pretty banged up. So I don't know what's going on, bad drivers. But this is the causeway. Another beautiful day. No rain in sight.
You know, you just can't tell.
You
with
just
the
can't
light.
tell.
You
No.
can't. The clouds look ominous sometimes, and other times they don't.
See, there's the lighthouse over there. The water is beautiful. There's some fishermen. we're home, back to the St. Louis area. Oh man, we got a bunch of boxes I see. This is why I'm recording. He always comes running. And here's Monkey too. And there's Sunny. Hey babies. It's actually it's 6 o'clock. See, it's dinner time. They're like just in time to feed us. Dad's unloading the car, getting all our luggage. You're gonna have to wait a minute. Sunny, come on. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? See, this is our house sitter. Brings in the mail. Look at all that. And then there's a little thank you card. Best house sitter indeed. All right. Oh yes. How you doing? Did you miss us? Did you miss us? All right, I'm gonna go help Daddy with the suitcases. Turn some lights on in here.